In front of me is Realme C25s, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this smartphone. Firstly, you need to access Play Store, click on the search bar and download your new default app. In my case, it will be Opera mini browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and choose Home button. Now you need to go into Settings, scroll down and select App Management over here. Then click on Default Apps and pick one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so I will click on Browser app, choose Opera and go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!